Konnichiwa, I'm your hot dad in Japan, TkyoSam, and today we're hearing animal noises in different languages. Let's go. Yeah.
Meow.
Let me turn this up.
Meow.
Oh.
One, one.
Woof. Woof, woof.
Woof, woof. Okay.
Wow.
And why do they say wan in Japanese? What?
Moo.
Moo. Yeah, that's right. Moo. Moo. Yeah, Japan got it wrong. Yeah.
Ga, ga.
Gaga. What? Goose? What?
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Okay, yeah, there you go.
Quack. It's pretty similar.
Quack, quack. Oh, German. Quack, quack. Oh, hey, unity. There we go.
Bam.
Bay. Oh, hey, similar. There we go.
Yeah.
Bay.
Oh, wow, same thing. Bay, what's up, Bay? Okay, yeah, cool.
Meow.
Meow.
That's funny.